Okay, we're gonna run through the pseudocode for insertion sort. So I'll be using the pseudocode over here, and then we fill up this trace table here. So the first few rounds I do it, I will refer by line to know, let us know what we're doing lah. Right, let's start. So we're looking at this pseudocode. So the first line here, we are supposed to basically do assign a value, a variable called pointer, assign number 2 to number of items. This is the for loop. So let's start with pointer. So pointer starts with 2 over here. And then the next line, item to be inserted. So over here, item to be inserted. Oh, second line. Can't really highlight it. Okay, this one. Item to be inserted will be assign my list pointer. So pointer is 2, right? If I look at my list now, my list 2 is over here, 21. So the item to be inserted is 21. Alright? Okay, then current item. Current item is pointer minus 1. So since pointer is 2, the current item will be 1. Okay, this current item is not referring to the item itself, it's referring to the index number here. Okay, then next thing to check. Okay, so over here, while my list, okay, so next we enter this while loop here. This while loop requires 2 conditions. My list current item must be larger than item to be inserted, and then current item must be larger than 0. Okay, so let's check this. So my list current item, so current item here, this is index 1, so this is 53. Okay, is 53 larger than 21? Yes, so this is true. Okay, and then is current item larger than 0? Yes, true as well. Okay, so once this is true, right, we are here, we are over here. Okay, so we assign my list current item plus 1. We assign my list current item to my list current item plus 1. So what this means is that current item is over here at 53, right? 53, I will assign it to current item plus 1. So that means here I'm putting 53 over here. Alright. Okay, so here you might be concerned that am I overwriting this 21? Yes, you're overwriting the position, but 21 is already saved in a variable called item to be inserted. So that's fine. Okay, then after I've done this, okay, I'll take current item minus 1. Okay, so the rest of the list will stay the same. So the only thing here is that this is 53, and then the rest of it stays the same. So I just go copy, I just type it out, 60, 18, 42 and 19. Alright, okay, then now I'll do this current item assign current item minus 1 to be assigned to current item. So if this is Python code, this will be as current item equals to current item minus 1. Okay, so here I'm still not done with pointer 2, so I'm still dealing with 21. Okay, so 21. Okay, so this is equals to 0 now. Alright, okay, then now I check this loop here. Okay, this one here, actually what I do is that I'll check this condition first. Is current item larger than 0? No, so this is false. Okay, and there's no need to do this anymore. So this is, I can just leave it blank. Alright, leave it blank. Okay, then now this is still okay. So I'm now out of this while loop. Then I'm out of this because now I have not fulfilled this condition. So I'm out of this while loop already, right? I come to here. So assign my list current item plus 1. Let it point to item be inserted. So current item plus 1. This is current item is 0 plus 1 will be 1. Okay, so that means 1 will point to item be inserted, which is 21. So this 21. Alright, and then the rest stays. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the changes that was made here. So this was the insertion. Okay, let's highlight yellow color, and then this was the this is with the while loop, and then this was the insertion over here. Okay, so let's just highlight it as blue color. Okay, so let's do one more round now. Let's do 3. Okay, the next, now we come back to this for loop here. Okay, now just now we started off with 2, right? Now we go to 3. Okay, so 3 is over here. Okay, I'll leave one line empty so that we have maybe not. Okay, let's just go 3. Okay, item to be inserted here, number 3 is at 60. Alright, so 60 is the item to be inserted. Alright, current item will be, current item is pointer minus 1, pointer is 3, so this current item becomes 2. Okay, so it's checking for my list current item, is it larger than item to be inserted. Okay, so 53 is it larger than 60. Okay, so this is false. Okay, and this is false. Okay, so then here you straight away come out of the loop already. You straight end the while loop over here. You come to this. So my list current item plus 1 equals item to be inserted. So current item is 2 plus 1 will be 3. So that means 60 will come. 60 will stay here. No change. right? So I'm just gonna highlight this as blue color as well. This was the one that we just added in. Okay, so this is 60, right? So then we have 21 and 53. Okay, and the rest stays the same. Okay, now we move to pointer 4. Okay, pointer 4, we are supposed to insert 18 now. Okay, so 18 comes here. Okay, then current item is pointer -1, so there's 3. Okay, so is current my least current item larger item inserted is 60 larger than 18? True. Okay, is current item larger than 0? Current item is 3, so this is still true. Okay, so again we will now insert, we will shift, we will do this line now because we're in the while loop. We'll do this line. So current item +1, which is at we will assign current item 3 to current item 4. So 60 goes here, alright? 60 goes here. I'm going to highlight this to be yellow color, alright? Yellow color, this one here. And the rest will stay, okay? So note that this guy here is still 60, alright? Because we haven't written over this one yet, okay? And then the rest will still follow. Sorry, okay? Okay, now we come to still pointer 4 because we have done this part already. We are done with this part, so we are still in the while loop. We continue the while loop, so we are still, this is pointer 4, 18. Current item is supposed to be decreased by 1, so now current item becomes 2. Okay, so is current item 253 larger than 18? True. Okay, and then current item larger than 0? True as well. Okay, so now I will update this as 53. Okay, so this guy becomes 53. Okay, so this is 21, this is 53, this is 53 as well. Okay, but now this is the yellow color one, alright? And then 60 stays, and then 4219 stays, alright? Okay, keep on going. We are still in the while loop, so now we are still in 4, and choose trying to update 18. Drop current item down to 1. Okay, current item, my least current 1, is it larger than 18? 21 is larger than 18. True. True as well. So this one, this guy is still 21. This is 53. No, sorry, this is 21. 21. And this is 53. This is 60. 60. And then 4219. Okay, just highlight this one. Just Control V. Okay, so this is the one that has been updated. Alright, then now we drop one more. We drop it down to 0. Okay, so my least current item, we are still here. We have this line here, so we go drop to 0. So this is 4. Still try to insert 18. Current item 0. Okay, so since current item is no longer larger than 0, so this is false. That means this is not needed as well. Okay, so once that's the case, I come to this line over here. My least current item +1 equals item inserted. So that means current item +1, this is 0 plus 1. Okay, so this is actually 1. So this will become 18. Okay, and then the rest will stay. Okay, 21. Okay, so this is the insertion, right over here. Insertion is here. Okay, so we look at loop pointer number 5 now. Okay, pointer 5. Okay, and then now we're trying to insert 42. Okay, 42. We start off with current item dropped by 1 from pointer, so that's 4. Okay, so is current item at 4 larger than 42? So yes, so this is true. Okay, and this is true as well. So things will shift. 18. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy paste this and bring it down. So we're gonna shift pointer 4 up. So this is 60 will come here. Alright, 60 come here. So again, highlight this as yellow color. Alright, move on to the next line. Okay, so this stays the same. Okay, now we are doing current item drops down by 1 to 3. So current item 3 at over here 53. Is 53 larger than 42? True. So this is true as well. Current item larger than 0 is true. So this one, this will become 53, 60, 19, and the rest will stay. Okay, so this is the insertion now. This is the swap, right? Okay, so now again we continue. We drop current by 1 as well. So now this one becomes 2. Okay, so 2. At 2, this is 21. 21 larger than 3. That larger than 42. No, so false. Okay, so this is not required anymore. Okay, you can put as true lah. Okay, so as long as 1 is true, that's fine. I think this one, if you want to be strict about it, this one can be true as well. Okay, never mind. Okay, so this 18. Okay, so false true, right? So false true, we are out of the loop already. So we can insert my list insert the item at my list current item plus 1. So current item plus 1 is 2. So plus 1 is 3. So insert at 3. So this will be 42. 42 will come here. Okay, and this is the blue color one because this is the insertion. Okay, and then this 2 will stay. And then this 3 will stay. 3, 16, 19. Okay, and then the wrong color one, next one. Okay, so now we are done with loop pointer 5. We go to pointer 6 now. Okay, so pointer 6, you can see that there's going to be some massive moving involved because now we're trying to insert 19 in here. We probably have to shift it all the way here. So let's do it step by step. Okay, so now we're trying to insert 19. Okay, so current pointer set to 5 first. Okay, it's 5. 5 item at 5 is larger than 19. Yes, true. Okay, so this is true as well. So we're going to do, so this will be, so the only change will be here. So 60 will come here. Okay, and then 60 is still here. Then the rest is the same. Okay, 81. Okay, this one is not highlighted. Okay, so the only highlight is this one. Okay, so this one is advanced. This is shifted forward. Okay, now we drop again. Okay, so highlight this. Okay, now this is 4, right? So at 4 is 53. 53 larger than 19, true. And current item larger than 0, true. Okay, so we shift things up again. So 18, 42, 21. Okay, so all this will stay. Okay, this will become 53. And this will become, this is still 60. Okay, so this is the shifted one. Okay, so I think we get the flow already lah. So let's copy paste this too. Okay, and shift. This is now current item becomes 3. So at 3, this is 42. 42 larger than 19, true. And then this is true as well. Okay, so we will shift things up again. So 42 will come to here. Okay, so this 2 will stay. This 3 will stay the same. Okay, 42 will come up. Okay, so this is 42. And this is 53. And 60. Okay, so 42 comes up. Okay, now we go on again. So again, we are doing the same one. Okay, so now this is 2. Okay, 2 is 21. 21 larger than 19. True as well. So we were shifting some. So let's just take 18. And then this is 21. And this is 21. Okay, and then this is 42. 53, 60. Okay, so this is the one that shifted up. Alright. Okay, one more time. So 6. Okay, pointer 6. Inserting 19. Current item is 1. Okay, so is current item at 1. At 1 is 18. So it means is 18 larger than 19, false. Okay, false. And this is still true. So false and true. So this is, we can stop already. Okay, so we will insert this line now. Last one. My least current item plus 1 equals to item to be inserted. So current item is 1. So this will come to here. 19 will come to here. 18, 19 will come here. 21, 42, 53, 60. Okay, so this is the item to be inserted. Okay, so let me color code this for as well. Okay, so this is how we do insertion sort. Okay, we'll take the same code, right? Later we will go and write our insertion sort function with this. Right, that's all. Thank you.